Yeah, that might be the Des Plaines River there. Because yeah, we're like 13, 12 miles away from downtown. Coming in from the west. Yeah. Now we're moving through Ridgewood. I think this is Ridgewood. Yeah. We're on Washington Street. So yeah, we're moving about 12, 13 miles an hour, guys. So it's saying hour and 15 minutes, 13 miles. Yeah, traffic, guys. Welcome to kind of, yeah, midway through rush hour. It's 5:22, guys. I kind of didn't take that into account. So we're moving now through something called Ridgewood Park. Ridgewood Park. All right, 290 and the 55 are right here. So I think we're going to go through Ridgewood Park now. It's starting to turn all green everywhere. Okay, so we just passed First Avenue, Route 171, as you guys remember. Hi. Okay. Oh, this is the Des Plaines River Road here. Okay. There's a train running there. That's probably what's causing that big traffic there. Alright, 111. Come on, man. Beautiful Chicago buildings here, guys. Okay, so here, making a left. Alright, so we're at Longcommon Road, guys. So anybody knows, look at these beautiful homes here, guys. So yeah, this is like only 12 miles out of downtown. Yeah. Guys got like a thing going down in the back of that house, a basement or something. Wow. Longcommon, Riverside Drive. So yeah, guys, this Riverside neighborhood, yeah, it is definitely ritzy and fancy. Turtle Park. Okay. Wow. Hey guys, definitely Riverside. Oh, look at those homes. They're like two chimney stacks. Wow. So 2 fireplaces in them houses. 2 fireplaces in that one. Wow. Look at that house, guys. Holy macaroni, as they say. My bicycle, and right now I got my mask down, so I got my beer hanging out. Somebody's gonna think I'm homeless, trying to look for a place to squat around here.